For the next section, we need to add the lock add-ons for the lock strip and the sash extensions on the bottom of each sash. First of all, we add the lock add-ons with the small leg towards the thermal brake and make sure it is flush to the ends of the sash. Once you've put the first screws in, make sure these add-ons are still flush to the ends of the sash. If not, they can be tapped back into place with a mallet before putting the remaining screws in. For bottom sash extensions, these can be screwed on at an angle through the bottom, or the easiest method is to put a 9mm hole through the top with a clearance hole through the bottom. Also, we need to take the tops off on the punch tool to cover this, and each corner needs nipping off so it hooks into the sash properly. Put these on, hook into place and screw through, repeating the same for the bottom. The other sash extensions just need the ends nipping off before screwing in.